Alright, hello, this is Terrence Miller, and I'm going to show you how to open a door, but there's also going to be a key that you have to reach first before you unlock the door. So you can see here, the door says find a key, and you can see on the top left that it will say locked. Now, on the right here, there's a key that you must get to first, and when I get it, it'll say, top left it says unlocked. Now when I go up to the door, it should open. There we are. You know, simple stuff like that. I'll show you what the trigger box looks like here. You can hit Control E or, go to edit Bluprint, the little blue thing on the right side to open this menu up. And I have, that's what it looks like here. There's an event actor begin overlap is what everything's connected to. And I have it is locked function. It's like just a little boolean. It's just, and I just called it is locked, but just type in boolean and hit editable. And I'll just, remake what I did on top because just to, show you guys. Yep, just search for the boolean and make sure you hit get and connect it like so. And yep, that's how you can make it editable, or you can hit the little eyeball on the left there. Now there's also a matinee actor that I connected to it, which is the door actually opening up. First, before we do that, I'm just going to hit a print string to let you guys know if it's locked or unlocked or whatever. Save, compile, and oh yeah, I can't have duplicate actor. Big in actors, but it's just one example, so I'll just Control C that for now. And now let me show you the matinee, what it looks like. Now, if you need to know which matinee it is, I don't think this is the right one. Yeah, sorry. But go to there, right here, and it says matinee actor 5. Make sure I click that. And if you want to create a new, matinee, you need to click on the object first. See how when I click that group, my door becomes highlighted? That is the door that will be moving. So when I want to make something, I would have clicked on the door and then right clicked and like named it whatever, right door. And I could click the little group again to add new movement track. Now, this is how my matinee looks right now, like that. You can add key or you can hit enter, whatever. So in the very beginning, your door will be closed. And I can move it 90 degrees, whatever. And said it's gonna travel that far in 5 seconds or 3 seconds, however many you can pick. If I enter again, that will be the end frame. So within 3 seconds, your door will be opening up like so. And then, just close out. You don't need to save for this. Matinees just save everything for some reason. Go back now that you have your matinee done. Search matinee actor. Reference it so it's blue. Drag it out. Hit get. And then drag out of blue stuff. Let me just paste this stuff back. Drag it out. Search for play. Right. Play. Okay. And the delay and the reverse function that I have there is just, it will say after 3 seconds it's a 3-second delay, and then it'll reverse what you played. So it'll be like it opens, 3 seconds later it just closes. And since my thing is 3 seconds long, the second it reaches the end, it just begins to start closing again. It's all up to you if you want a reverse or delay or whatever, but that's just how it works. I'm just telling you guys how it works, so you can add one if you want. Now this is all very simple. This is just how you would normally open a door, pretty much, except I have an is locked function and branching systems and everything. That's for the key. So now let me just let's make sure your thing is connected, because it will not be connected. Just, you know, reference, it'll ask what matinee and is locked is to keep it locked in the beginning. Check it, whatever, just keep testing it out. I'm just gonna play for here and show you. See, it's, since I unchecked the is locked, it just opens. Let's close it for now. Play from here and locked now, and it tells you in the top left that it's locked. Very helpful feedback. The print string gives you pretty good stuff like that. Now let's show you what the key trigger box looks like. The thing that actually unlocks stuff for you. Now there's the key static mesh actor. Sorry. Now you can just pretty much do this with any BP, whatever, static mesh, anything. Drag a cone out there, because all I did was I just imported like a really poorly done max key, 3D modeled it real quick. But you can just use anything. Make sure you search up actor and connect it. So your trigger box will understand that that is, that we'll use that later, don't worry. Oh, this is a door unlock. That is letting the trigger box know to unlock the door. Now we have to know what that trigger box is named. So let me just open it up. Control C. Now it is named trigger box door 2. Depends on whatever you guys named it. Name it something very simple. So in the door unlock too, when you search it, how it says on the top right there, trigger box door 2, that's what you guys search, or whatever it's named for you guys. I would recommend you just name it the same thing I did. Now drag it out, and let's see if I remember here. And set. No. Oh, sorry. Oh, there it is, get. Make sure you type in get is locked, or set is locked, whatever, because we have to get the is locked function that we made in the other blueprint. What did I just delete there? What is going on? Okay, yeah. Event actor begin overlap. Make sure it's that one. Get the branch. So there's a true and a false, so without the key it won't unlock, with the key it will unlock. Just simple stuff like that. I'm going to have to get the set out of my isLocked function. No, it doesn't work like that. I promise I know what I'm doing. Don't. Ah, here it is. There you are. Set is locked. And then drag it. Just you know, copy. You already have one, so you just copy and paste it. Control C, Control V. There you go. Drag it on there, and make sure one of them is checked. Probably the bottom one, because that means, you know, if you don't have it, it's still locked. If you have it, it'll be unlocked. Simple stuff like that. And you can just have the print strings of is locked, unlocked. You know, just make sure it says unlocked, locked to let you know that you did it correctly, blah, 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 all that great stuff. And on the true, when you actually do pick up the key, you'll have to make a destroy actor function to, you know, let the player know that they did pick it up. Because, you know, ultimately you're just walking into the trigger box. But for a visual aid, we will need, you know, for the key to actually disappear, to let the player know, oh, I did walk into the trigger box. So just have a destroy actor, and that's simple. There you are. That's all you need. So now when you walk in the trigger box, it will be destroyed. So that's what your function should look like. I already have one, so I'll just delete that one, and let's play it. Oh, sorry. I need to do play from here.
play from here. Alright. So, locked, unlocked, boom. Beautiful. And the delay in the reverse is working on mine, so it goes back, done. You still have the key, so you should be able to open it again. Beautiful. And I believe that is all. If you have any questions, ask me, I guess.